All right, warming up for the jerk. We're going to start with some pass-throughs just with the PVC pipe, starting nice and wide, keeping the arms nice and straight, opening up those shoulders. And as you warm up, go ahead and move those hands in a few inches and find some tightness in there to work out. From there, we're going to take the PVC around our head for some around the worlds. Try to keep your arms as straight as possible. I'm not doing the best job here, but 10 to 15 reps each side. From here, I'm going to drop it in front, drop my head through my arms, start with the right hand on top, just stretching out my shoulders and my lats. Suspending at least a minute, minute and a half on each side will help out. From here, I'm going to do an external rotation stretch to help with the front rack position, keeping those elbows high and outside. So it's going to create a nice shelf for the bar to sit on. This one's not the most comfortable if you're not used to it, so it's a good one to work on. And then from here, I'm going to do some PVC rotations, bars under my chin. I'm going to keep my whole hand on the bar, as you can see here, rotate as high as I can, and then squeeze my upper back. And then from here, I'm just going to go ahead and finish it off with some more pass-throughs, 15 to 20 more reps here before moving on to the bar here. So typically I spend 1 to 2 minutes here in this overhead position, drop my head through my arms, start about shoulder width or a little bit wider, and then gradually move my arms out a little bit more depending on where the tightness is. And then it'll be the same story for the underhand, about 1 to 2 minutes, again narrow, and then I'll move my hands out for a wider grip. So different feeling here. And then from there I get my hands on the bar with a full grip, get some elbow rotations in, at least 5 on each side. I'm just showing off a few here. And then I'll go into some presses, at least 5 to 10 reps in front of my head here. And then I'll go ahead and lower the bar to my back, and I'll do the same exact thing. Again, starting with the rotations, and then I'll hit some behind the neck presses. So again, another 5 to 10 reps before bringing the bar back down in front. And do some jerk dips, just loading up the posterior chain, just focus on using my legs. And then from there, do some more overhead work to open up the upper back, get ready for the catching the bar. And then from here, I'll do some more presses from the receiving position, just a little bit different of a variation. You get some of the balance aspect as well. And then we'll do some jerk pops. I got this from California Strength, just working on receiving the bar with an active shoulder here in the footwork. And then I'll go directly into some timing drills. So I'll go do some dips, go up my toes for a second, press it past my forehead, and then I'll drop underneath. Again, punching into the bar above. So I'm just working on a fast active lockout. Run through this a few times and you'll be ready to go for your jerks.